Good morning, children. Welcome to social class. So, in social, we are learning block 25, which is communication. So, communication means sharing your thoughts, your ideas, isn't it, children? And in the previous class, we have learned what are the different types of communications we have, isn't it? So, in the second topic, we are going to learn about the newspaper. Okay, so please open your social content book and turn to page number 155. 155 155. Okay, so we are able to communicate with more number of people at once through the newspaper. Okay, we can communicate with more number of people, like thousands of people, through newspaper at once. Okay, and in this newspaper you can see different news, children. Okay, it might be because that is happening in the country. Okay, so it might be because about politics, it might be sports, it might be business, it might be events. What all happening in our country you can get to know through the newspapers. And also we can print the newspaper thousands of copies at the same time. Okay, at the same time we can print more number of copies of newspaper and can be distributed to large number of people. Okay, and in the same way, like newspapers, we have magazines also. So magazines are will be like telling about one particular subject, like sports magazine, gardening magazine, fashion magazine, filmy news magazine. So they'll be giving information. They also will be sharing the information related to particular topic. Okay, particular field, we can say. Okay, children, so that is about magazines. And however, what is the negative points in the newspaper is newspaper can be used by the people who can read, who can see. Okay, so the people who can see and read can use the newspaper. Okay, and also to print the newspaper it takes lots of time. Even though we can print thousands of copies of newspaper, but it takes a lot of time to print and deliver to the people and send to the people. Okay, children, so that is about the newspaper. Children, I have given few keywords in the news daily schedule. Please learn them, write it in your classwork and underline in your content book. Okay, and if you find any other word which is difficult, you can include in your keywords and learn them. Okay, children, now coming to your question answers. How is newspaper a useful way to communicate with many people? So we are able to communicate with thousands of people with the help of newspaper. How? Because newspaper, in the newspaper you can find different kinds of news about the country. It might be about the people, politics, events, sports, business, films, all everything you can get through the newspaper, isn't it? And also this newspaper, they can print about thousands of copies. In that way thousands of people can read it, isn't it, children? Yes. And in the same way, magazines like newspapers, magazine also helps to in sharing ideas and news with others. So in this way, newspaper helps us to communicate with many people. Okay, so write this answer in your classwork and please learn it, children. Coming to your homework, complete the volume book 3, page number 46, S2, reading the paper. Okay, so in the next class, we will learn the next topic, children. See you in the next class. Bye.